Welcome to Chapter Portobello, your ultimate student living destination in the vibrant heart of London. This exceptional property offers stylish private studios, affordable non-ensuites, and spacious one-bedroom apartments, all within a dynamic and inclusive community. Each living space is designed for comfort, featuring plush beds and modern amenities for a delightful stay. But that's just the beginning. Stay active in the fully equipped gym, unwind in the serene courtyard, or focus in the dedicated study spaces. For fun, challenge friends in the games area or enjoy movie nights in the cinema. With high-speed Wi-Fi and vibrant social spaces, there's something for everyone. Located just moments from top institutions like ICMP London and City of Westminster College, your daily commute will be a breeze. Chapter Portobello is surrounded by a mix of dining options including DJ's Caribbean cuisine and cozy cafes, with Harrow Road grocers conveniently close for everyday essentials. Excellent transport links make exploring the city effortless. Ready to start your adventure at Chapter Portobello? Don't wait, reserve your space today at amberstudent.com and step into an unforgettable chapter of your life in London.